Show you how to add text to path in the Linearity Curve app. First you have to open up the app, and here we have a document. From here we just select the path, and here in the top right corner we have text to path. Click on this, and then here we can edit this text. I mean, we should be able to edit the text. Like this. Maybe the stroke should be smaller, like 5 or 3. And as you can see, this follows the path. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Then you can slide it right like this. Thanks for watching.